Hello guys, this is Mohammed Kayum. Welcome everybody. So few days ago I got a requirement like how we can convert PDF to text. That means someone maybe give you a PDF file and you have to read the PDF file and you have to copy the text file into a Oracle Apex region or somewhere, or you have to insert it into database. Anyway, so I did some analysis and research on this, and I found a couple of ways we can do the thing using Oracle Apex. But today I'm going to show you the easiest way you can do it within 5 minutes in your application. So let's see how it will be work. So I already did it into the Apex free workspace. So just simply I just created this page and I have to upload a file, PDF file like this one. This one is a test PDF file I just downloaded from online. So I just uploaded it. I just select the file and it's read the file. Text, whatever text inside the PDF. So if you want to see how the PDF was, so I can show you the PDF. This is the PDF actually I just uploaded, and we got the texts from the PDF. But I'm not able to read the images. We are able to read the only texts. And I put the steps and codes into my blog, so you can got the codes from my blog. Here is my blog. So my blog is kayumerblogspot.com, or even no problem, I will share the URL into the description. So let's see how I did the thing and how you can do the thing. I'm going to show you how I did it. Very simple. Sorry, I shouldn't go there. Still I went there. So I'm going to create a new page. A blank page is good. I should put a nice name like PDF to text. So my page create is done. It's a totally empty page. I have to create one region. I can put a nice name like same PDF to text. That is all about UI. So now the first step. The first step is, here is some functions written by functions, actually JavaScript functions. So I'm going to copy all JavaScript functions from here to page properties and function and global variable declaration. So I just copy paste over there. Step 1 is done, and I have to do the second step. So basically I got some JS file. Using that JS file, we are going to read the PDF file and copy the texts from PDF, and we are going to put the text into that region. So this is the ID. This is the region ID. We are going to paste the code into that region ID. So what I did, I create the page and put the code into the function global variable declaration, function calls, and then I create another region, and here the region type is static content, and I put the JS file links and a input file, like select a file name, like the input file type is file. That means I have to choose a file using that input field, and here is the ID where we are going to show the PDF texts. So let's save and see our next UI. This is the current UI. So I'm going to upload the same PDF file. That's all. It's very simple, right? You can do it yourself and you can customize it it based on your application or based on your requirement. I didn't go that much deep on that, but if you need, I can go. So if you have any questions, you can ask me into the comments. And if you want any other thing, any other new development things, I like to research, I like to develop, I will try to help you. Just comment into the comment box. I will read it and reply as soon as possible. Thank you.